to the channel, guys. Oh, go ahead. There you go. Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. Just about got ran over right there. I am on the way to driving school right now. And this is a part of my punishment about something I can't speak about right now. But soon enough, there will be a video on why I'm going to driving school. I mean, if those of you who know, you're only going to driving school for one reason. And when I say this is just a piece of my punishment, literally maybe 15 to 20% of what I have to do, and of the things, out of all the things I have done so far, I've probably done maybe like, I'll say like 30% maybe, almost 50, but like not quite. But yeah, according to me, myself, and I'm running late. It's not 6:19, it's 5:19. I just haven't changed it back from when we had daylight savings time. But I got not court, driving school at 5:30, and I know where the building is because I looked on my maps. So I'm basically right now going off of memory of where this place is at because I looked at the maps before I came. I am very familiar with this part of town, even though I don't live in this town. I come here all the time. The lady said that the parking lot is small and it gets packed very quickly, so that's really the only reason why I said I am running late, because I'm going to be in there with a bunch of other delinquents, and I would like to get somewhere where I can park and get a good seat. But also, it is freaking chilly. It's probably like 48 degrees, 50 degrees right now, and all I'm wearing is a t-shirt and a hoodie. I did have on a thicker jacket earlier, but I just didn't want to wear it, man. Like, I brought my little face covering so far on the way back. I'm not miserable, and also I got my heated grips and everything. But yeah, man, hopefully this class goes by smooth. I know my girlfriend was like, she was like, you're going to take, or my girlfriend, my sergeant, and a couple of my friends like, you're going to take your bike to driving class, like driving school? And I was like, yeah, like, they didn't say that I needed to freaking bring my truck or my car, and plus it's going to be nighttime. I don't think we're going to be out there driving. I think we're going to be in a classroom, which I should have probably asked, but I have so much going on right now. Like, that was the least of my worries of what vehicle I'm going to bring, because I can always reschedule this. I got a whole month before I got to go back to court and deal with other crap. But yeah, man, obviously I have no speedo right now. My gas mileage is gone because I put my front wheel back on after I got a new tire, and I didn't do my spacing correctly because my slow behind freaking untightened this left side when they on the I was reading a form, it said don't untighten that side, and I did this. I mean, I read the form afterwards because that's what guys do, you know. You go in there and do what you gotta do, and then when something goes wrong, you read the manual or instructions afterwards. But it says not to unloosen that side because it already has the spacing done right. So I already ordered that new wheel sensor because when I put it on wheel back on there, it literally grounded down my wheel sensor. So I mean, I already ordered a new one. It's in. I just have to put it in tonight after I get back. Well, I don't know if I'll do it tonight, but I could. I don't know. I'll just have to see how I'm feeling after this. I mean, I'm going to be driving back in freaking freezing cold and then sit in a somewhat cold garage. I don't think I really want to do that for real. I really don't want to do this. I don't want to do any of this. This is, in my opinion, in my whole 100% honest truth opinion, I think a lot of this crap that I'm doing is really unnecessary. And don't get me wrong, yes, I know I was doing wrong and I did what I did, and I'm now paying the piper, but I feel like a lot of this crap is just really to make an example out of me for reasons I won't mention, but you can put two and two together and make your own decision. So yeah, like I said, this is just like a little piece of what I have to do and what's to come in the next couple of weeks. So I'm going to try to pump out content as much as possible, or have some set for certain days. Like I had a schedule, so I don't have to worry about making videos later on. Yeah, this is a bunch of malarkey. Oh yeah, so like not only my wheel sensor messed up, my miles per gallon left till E is gone, but my cardo is gone. I guess I didn't clip it all the way to my helmet. Was leaving the funeral like 2 weeks ago, pressed to skip the song and it fell through, hit my chest. I tried to grab it, it fell on my palm. Then I closed my hand and somehow it slipped out of my hand and fell behind me. I watched my baby get run over at least a good 6 times before I turned around to go get it. And then when I did turn around to go get it, I watched it get run over like 6 more times. So she's toast. Also, I got on my new MBT pants. Hey, if you need some pants, go to mbtclothing.com. Use my discount code, it's Hollywood. Give you 15% off. Appreciate you. Help me help you, right? Oh, yes sir, baby. I hear you, girl. She's screaming today. Oh yeah, man. This is the life of a biker. Going to driving school. I wonder what the other people are gonna think, and like who all's gonna be in there. Like, I wonder if it's gonna be like some older people in there, you know, like some old heads. And which I got 5 minutes to get there. All the whistling in my videos, I cannot figure out what it is. I want to say it's this windscreen because it's not an AGV windscreen, I don't believe. Because I think I got it off of like Alibaba or some crap. Even though it is, or no, I got it on some other website. Even though it is a Pista windscreen, I believe, I just don't think AGV made it, if that makes sense. Like, it'll fit, but maybe it's like off by like a few centimeters, letting air in. But also, like, this little tab in the front, like, is worn out, man. Like, you've probably seen a couple times in the video where I'm trying to close my visor, and then like 4 seconds later I'm trying to like click it back down again. So like there's 2 clicks. There's 1, 2, and then that second click just never gets registered for me. Like, I have to push it over to the side or just push down a little bit harder. So I don't know. This is it right here. It is indeed. Park over here, be a loner. That's a good thing, because I don't want my bike to get hit. Alright, I'll see you guys when I come out. Man, oh man. That was, I'm not going to say the biggest waste of my time, but it was basically like I just took the driving test all over again, but they gave it to me like an oral test. Like, they were just telling me all the answers type thing. Also, whatever it is, I'm gonna make sure that I never have to come back and do that crap again. Now, it was supposed to be until 9:30, I believe. Yeah, 9:30. But there's no way in hell I was gonna sit there till 9:30. I mean, I say that, but I need that certificate given to the court. So I would do what I do. But yeah, so basically, long story short, all this is in relation to what I got going on currently. Like I said before, I'm not going to dive too deep into it right now, but there will be a video made on it. So there will be a video made on it. Just, I don't know how soon I can make that video. I mean, I have a date of the days I have to go back to court and everything, but I don't know, which I need to get to a full tuck because it is currently about like 45 degrees out. All I have on is a t-shirt and a hoodie. I got my heated grips turned on, but for some reason my visor just will not close all the way. Also, my Speedo is not working very well. As you can see, it's going back and forth and it is dropping. So yeah, but I mean, like I said in earlier video, this was just a little piece of what is to come from my port stuff. Also, there was quite a few young people in there, I'll say, but at the same time, there was, if not half, about like 40 to 39 or 40 to 35% of like older people. And when I say older, I mean like from mid 40s to late 60s. And I was looking at them like, why are you in here? But then also I was thinking like, man, I really don't want to go here because they're gonna make me stand up, say my name, and say why I came. I mean, the lady already knows over there, but she did make us, she called us out like it was a roll call type of thing, and she said, okay, why are you here? And she has the paper in front of her, so we just got to tell the class while we're there. Well, basically, a lot of us were in there for speeding. There was one other guy in there for reckless. There was one girl in there, a young girl, was in there for eluding the police. There was a couple people who rolled through a stop sign, who rolled through a traffic light, like a red light, and one was a girl fell asleep up behind the wheel at a red light, and she rolled through it and blocked the intersection at nighttime. So I mean, we were all a bunch of delinquents in there. But me being me, I'm always gonna think like, man, I don't belong in there type of thing. But I did the crime, you gotta do the time, you know what I mean? So it's time to pay that piper, baby. But I hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like, comment, subscribe, share button. Don't forget, I'm still wearing my NBT pants right now on the way home. If you want to grab you a pair, save you 15%, use discount code Hollywood at checkout. Hey, wear your gear, ride safe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!